We need to solve this equation with an absolute value inside a square. When x is non-negative, the absolute value of x is just x. So, in this branch, we replace the absolute value with x. Now expand the square and distribute on the right. The linear terms cancel, leaving a simple quadratic equation. This is a difference of squares, so it factors directly. The two candidates from this branch are positive and negative. Only the candidate that satisfies x greater than or equal to 0 can stay. A common mistake is keeping both roots here. So, the non-negative branch gives x equals 2 square root 5. Now we handle the negative branch, where the absolute value of x becomes negative x. Substitute negative x for the absolute value in the original equation. Expanding the square gives x squared minus 4x plus 4. Move everything to the left side and combine like terms. This quadratic factors into two linear factors. The candidates from this branch are 10 and negative 2. The branch requires x to be negative, so 10 must be rejected. Negative 2 satisfies the negative branch condition, so it stays. Combining the valid candidates gives the full solution set. The original equation is defined for all real x, so there are no extra domain exclusions.